Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a hip spin, also known as a shoulder drop hip spin. Though no doubt there are other names for it out there as well. Knowing how to do a shoulder drop already would be helpful, but frankly there's not an awful lot of preparation you can do for this one because it's not a lot like a lot of the other shapes. So we're going to jump straight in. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So the main key to this one is we're popping the lady's hand onto the hip, we're taking the hips over to the side, we release the lady's hand, and then because the lady is making a firm contact, because that's the only lead point she's got, when the guy pops his hips over to the side, he's actually pushing the lady off into a spin. So it is basically a spin for the ladies led by the men's hips. Okay, so let's break it down. It goes man's right, ladies right. We go semicircle back, we return the lady, guys turn to the right underneath that arm, the hand briefly touches down on the right shoulder, we take it out to the right, hits the shoulder drop bit. As we go back over to the left, the hips are going to go over, we're going to pop the lady's hand onto the hips and we're going to push firmly because we're effectively telling the lady make this a firm contact because you're going to be led through it. We take the hips over to the left. How you want to style it's up to you. Most fellas in classes, if they bring their hands up and actually make a sound at the same time as they do it, tend to manage to give the lady a better lead. So up to you. So from here up we're going to pop the hips to the right and we go push, and the lady sends off into the spin. The guy's got to get round in time to make a catch, of course, and then it's just return the lady and we are done. So let's try it from the other side and we will talk numbers. So we go back 1, return 2, onto the shoulder 3, out 4, preparation 5, spin 6, catch 7, return 8 and back 1. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, shoulder drop, hip spin. We go back, return, shoulder, out, prep, catch, return and back. Other sounds are available. Okay, so that's it. Hope you find that fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Thank you everyone who does that. And the notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out, providing you also have notifications turned on. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.